seen part 1, go check out part 1 so you can know what's going on. And part 2 is Christmas Day, and we're so excited. And we're just gonna, you know, chill, just day of family. We're gonna be in the house majority of the time, but we're gonna have a party planned on the night. We're also gonna be baking for the party, and we're also gonna be opening gifts. We're done eating tacos, and they were so delicious. They were amazing. And now we're about to play some Mario Kart. And if you haven't noticed, Mario Kart is my favorite game to play. I love playing Mario Kart. And we know we got the Switch on deck or whatever. You know the vibes. But you're about to play some Mario Kart and we gotta go against each other. And you really know I'm gonna beat her. Like,
nah, fam.
Nah, no?
Alright,
well, y'all gonna have to see. Comment down in the comments if you think she's gonna win. If you think she's gonna win, comment in the comments G. If you think I'm gonna win, comment A. But yeah, we about to play or whatever, we about to enjoy, and we about to go against each other in the vlog or whatever. So y'all gonna see who's gonna win each thing. You ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
Oh, we play some.
Let's get ready.
Let's get ready.
Hit it.
Let's get ready.
Let's get. All right. Let's see who's going to win. Oh, she passed you. Oh my God. She passed you. Oh, okay, Remy. Hit the 10. Hit the 10.
You was right there too. I said, click. Oh.
Hit it. 2.
I can't do it. She's off me.
Remy. Now you gotta start over. 1.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2,
4,
3, 2.
5.
Pick your head up, bro.
6.
In the gym.
7. 8. 9.
I should be doing regular push-ups.
10.
Ride this horse, man.
Ride the horsey.
Bro, that ready?
1, 2, 3.
That doesn't count. You gotta start all over. 10. No. Okay. She's still laying down.
Wait.
So do it again.
Ready? 1,
30 seconds. Yep.
Squeeze that butt.
Squeeze it. Squeeze.
Shut up.
Don't make her laugh. No, it's not over yet. No. Don't.
I won, then I lost again, and this one is I had to put my head into it, so we about to do this.
Go.
Oh.
Barking, dog.
What are they doing? What is Jeffrey doing with her?
Play frisbee.
No, another word for that.
Play and catch.
Another word for that. You passed it.
Whoa.
They're hard things.
Say cross.
No, they're hard. It's hard, and you can build. Yeah.
What is it?
A home.
3 little pigs. What's the house made out of?
Brick.
Outside.
Outside with a
In
blanket.
the park with the blanket.
Picnic?
Yeah.
Yes.
Popping over a bottle, wine bottle?
No.
Beer bottle?
Something you like, and all the kids like. Everybody likes it.
That's not juice.
Water? Opening a water bottle?
It makes a noise.
Coke? Sprite?
What is it though? What is it?
Opening a soda bottle?
Yeah.
Yes.
Running?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh.
You're skipping over something.
What's that called?
What's this
Leaping?
called?
Gallop?
When you jump over something,
It's in track.
you're running in the track.
Now jump over it.
Galloping?
Oh.
Halloween
Halloween.
time, you're
Yes. What do you do
Making candy?
with something? No, you do it with something.
to make a.
Orange.
It's a
What is that called?
it's
A
a
knife?
vegetable.
A pumpkin?
Carving a
Pumpkin.
pumpkin.
On a mission, and we're gonna try to scare them. They're watching a movie, and we're gonna try to scare them. She's not sleeping. It was fun. Gang, gang.
8.
You ready?
Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
Oh, 3.
4, 3,
1.
2, 1. It's Christmas! Yay! She's coming back. No, don't make no noise. What?
Yeah, let's open one.
Knock for. Oh, Maricela's there. Just check first. You now,
Merry Christmas. Gotta open up. Merry Christmas. Gotta open up.
Hey guys, so this is one of our first gifts as a family, and each of us got these t-shirts and we are going to wear them the next day so we can all match them.